Good morning everyone. My name is Garvita Daryal. I study in class 8A and today I am going to present a presentation on Zika virus. So let's start. In this presentation, I am going to tell you about the disease, diagnosis, recommendation, treatment, symptom and vaccination for the disease. Zika virus is a disease which is caused by the bite of Aedes mosquitoes. Zika virus was discovered in 1947 and is named after the forest, Zika forest. In 1957, the human cases of Zika virus were detected, and since then, Zika virus has been reported in tropical Africa, Southeast Asia, and Pacific Islands. Prevention for Zika virus. We should follow the following steps to prevent Zika virus. Plan travel safely and carefully. Reduce mosquito habitat. Use insect repellent. Wear protective clothing. Recommendation and vaccination for Zika virus. There is no treatment available for Zika virus. People with symptoms such as fever, rash should get plenty of rest, drink fluids, and treat pain and fever with common medicines. Symptoms of Zika virus are fever, rash, headache, joint pain, red eyes, and muscle pain. Diagnosis of the disease. There are several methods that can be used for diagnosis, such as virus isolation and serological testing. Thank you for giving such a precious time of yours to my presentation. Thank you.